Today, I am going to show how easily you can create a web app from a Google Sheet that removes whitespace or any HTML tag or new line or invisible characters from a paragraph of text. It does not matter whether the whitespace is leading or trailing or there is double space between the words. So, I go to GS2 Web SaaS add-on, then to Calculator, and click New Calculator. A new pop-up opens that asks name of the web app. After that, you will be asked how many inputs your web app will have. I fill 3 and answer no to the next question about graph. After this, a template opens. I will use the top 2 rows for a header image for this web app. So, delete all contents in the first 2 rows and paste the URL for the image in the first cell. Next row should be kept blank. Now we put a label named Paste the Paragraph here. In the result area, we put a combination of formulas that Google Sheet provides us. These are trim and clean functions. We reference the input cell, that is G4 in this formula, so that any paragraph of text that the user puts in the input field, the input data first comes to G4 cell. The trim, clean, and REGEXREPLACE functions remove any leading or trailing white space or double spaces between 2 words. It also removes any HTML tag or special characters which are not visible. Lastly, we change the button called Result. Name it Clean It. Now that the formula is set, we go to Add-on, then to the calculator, and publish it. Abracadabra! Here is your web app link. Let us test this freshly cooked web app. For this, I just copy a paragraph from my notepad. I have already put some leading, trailing, double space, some HTML tags and some hidden characters. Just paste this into the input field. Finally, click the button Clean It. Wow! A clean result came out. So, what is the need to program for hours for creating such a nifty tool when GS2 Web SaaS add-on is available? Please write your comments.